So today I'm going to show you how to solve Rubik's Cube. The very first step is the white cross, where basically, see how like these parts here, minus the corners, make like a cross looking shape? Well, you'd want to make that in white, so I put all these pieces in there. But they've got to make like kind of like these two blocks need to be the same colour. So this one needs to go to red. You can bring it down or up, whatever way is better, and go bring it to red. Bring it up, and now that part's there, and you can see the red is there. The red is there. This orange is lined up white, so you bring that up. Then you find the blue one, which is right here, and bring it up. But they have to. So now you've got like the cross, and the lines here are all in the right spot. Then you'd want to go to the corner pieces on the right side, like these pieces, which I think this is like one of them white corner pieces, and it has red and green, so you bring it to red and green, and then do that, which is this is the main algorithm. You'd go, so you bring the cube, look, this is side up, down, that, and if the corner doesn't go in first try, just do that multiple times until it does go in there, like that. Find the other one which is already in the right spot since it's orange, green, orange, green. So you do that multiple times. Until it's in there. Again, blue, red, put it in there. And you do that for all of them. That's obviously in the right spot because it's the only one left. So I guess then the white side's done, and it makes these kind of looking T kind of things all around the side. Then, so you see these pieces here, we're going to solve them next. So we have orange on the top, blue on the bottom. You make it so that the line matches black perfectly, like the colours match. Then you move it away from the colour on the top, then bring it up, side down, side on the left, at the side of that colour. Kind of, it's confusing. We could do it here, like bring it away from red, and the blue side, where it meets the red, you'll do it there. And then turn the cube to the side of the one thing. It's confusing. Turn it to that side that you've moved it away from. And then bring it up, side down side. Look, the orange, you do it there. Then turn it to the orange side, and do it where it connects to the green side. And once you've done that for all of them, you should get a cube that looks like this, where all of this part is done. Now you've got to do the yellow side, which if you find like an L like this, turn it so it's at this top corner right here. And then so you'll bring it side, and do that right there. And undo, and if you see you've got a line like that, if you've got a line like that, turn it like that, so you told one like that, and then do it again, undo that, then that's the yellow cross done. And then you gotta try and line up as many as you can. If you can't line them all up straight away, which is here, we can line up the blue one and the red one. If it goes like that, so they're right next to each other, you bring the one of them to the back, one of them to the side, then go up, side, down, side, up, and bring that all the way back. Then turn that to the side, and then all of them are lined up. Then right here is a corner in the right spot and solved. You don't necessarily get them always solved in the right spot, but if they're not, if all the other ones aren't, you go side, up, down, side, down, and then check around. Nope. Do it again. That just solved. But if it doesn't solve, you flip it upside down. But now I just have to try to explain it with a solved cube. It could be confusing. But you bring it here. So if let's say this one's in the right spot but not solved, it's like green, orange, yellow. Let's say You do it there and then doing this like that multiple times until it goes into its solved state. And then once that's solved, if let's say this one's not solved, you wouldn't turn the cube because that would mess everything up. You actually turn the bottom part and do it there. That's one very important thing you don't want to forget, because if you turn the actual cube, you would have messed it all up. And yeah, you'll do that for all of them, and then the cube should solve. I would have been able to explain this a lot better though if the cube didn't solve right then. So I'm gonna pause the video and do it scramble it and solve it again, so it's got the same thing but it's like that. So now I've done like that, so then these corners, they're all in the right spot but aren't necessarily solved. And once you get that, you'd flip it upside down, and see how this is like that, you just do that there until it solves. And like I was saying, you'd move the bottom part and like the cube, and then do that until they all solve. And then you just turn that bottom part and then it's solved. So I hope this helped. Bye.